folks, today in this episode I'm going to be teaching you guys how to construct a triangle equal in area to given polygon. So the first step is to draw the polygon itself. So as you can see, I've drawn the polygon. This is polygon A, B, C, D, E, F. Now after drawing that, you extend the base of the polygon to both sides. You see I've extended the base of the polygon. And the next step, after doing that, you join AD, BD, and so on and so forth. So I'll join A to D. So I'm joining every of the corner to the apex, one of the apex D. So I'm joining FD, AD, BD, FD. I've joined all of them together. Now after doing all this, the next step after doing all this is draw EF parallel to AD. So now I'm going to draw a line parallel to this one outside. I'm also going to draw a line parallel to this one outside. So I'll make use of this one to draw a line parallel to it outside. Let's do that. So you make use of a set square basically to draw a parallel line. So I'm drawing EF parallel. Here we go. Then I also go to the edge to this one. From the edge, I'll draw a line parallel to this one outside the polygon. So it's going to pass through the edge. So this is the last edge. Okay, the corner before the last edge. That's this. Yes. So I'll draw a line parallel to this edge from here. Here we go. And finally, the next thing to do is we join D to those extensions. So the next extensions will be X and Y. So after drawing the parallel lines, you just join the apex to the extensions. Now then you get the triangle. So our new triangle is XDY. So this is basically how to construct a triangle that is equal in area to a polygon. So let me draw the base. This is the base of the triangle. So I'll thicken it right here, so it to be visible. So this triangle X, this is X. Triangle XDY is a required triangle.